Hello, my name is Aditya Chaubey, and today I will be making a video in order to cover a recent project that I have made that is a task management system. So let's go in order to see what are the components of this particular task management application. First one is a task creation page, a form which is to create a task, which is dedicated to create a task by the user. Second page is related to task list. Now here it will there will be listing of all the tasks that are belong to the logged in user, which will be present here. Third one will be a task details page, a particular page given to a particular task in order to update the status of the task, its priority, or either way modify its description or title, or even delete it also. So the user can perform any of the operations on that task details page. Fourth one will be the user authentication page, a login page to authenticate the user to whichever user is entering into the system. The last one will be a sign up page to enter a new user into the system. And now let's see what is the task stacks that I have used. Very basic. In the front end, I have utilized react.js, which is obviously JavaScript, a JavaScript library made by the Facebook, provided publicly by the Facebook. And in the backend, I have used JSON-server, which will be working as a fake API for us. And CSS, in CSS, I utilize Material UI library. Now let's look towards. So let's go in to take a demo how I have made this and what is that particular presentation. So let's see which users will be helping us. The very first user is a is cook, and it has a list of tasks assigned to it. The second user is helper, and it has also a list of tasks assigned to it. We will be seeing it what are those tasks, and we will try to delete, and it has also a task in these two users. And third user will be a new user signed up as a manager, for which we will try to create some tasks. So let's quickly jump into on the project. So here is the project that we had that I have made. So we can see the login page. The very first page will be the login page for the user. Here we will be utilizing the very first cook, and we will enter the password of the cook. Right, and this is a basic page which has two options: login and sign up. If the user wants to log in, if it is already registered, then you go with login, and if it wants to sign up on the system, the sign up page will be there. Like this one is the sign up page. A user can simply put their name and password and sign up, and they will be redirected to again to sign login page. We will be going to it. Let's look towards first the user that I have already created. So as the user logs in into the system, he or she will be redirected to the listing page, that is a task listing page, which will contain all the tasks that have been previously created by the user. So here we can see make tea, make breakfast, make lunch, make dinner, make snacks, and in the pagination I have done. So approximately 5 tasks will be there in every single page, and after fifth task, the tasks will go on to the next page. Make salad, make cake. Now we'll try to go with the and there are button previous and next works on on the basis that whichever page on which we are, if we are on the first page, next will be there, and after next there will be previous option, and if there would have been a third page, next and previous both would have worked up simultaneously. So now let's try to see what we have in this particular listing. So for one single task, we have a due date assigned to it, up to which it has to be done, status, which is pending or deleted, and priority, which is low or high or medium. Now on the task listing page, we have the option of changing the status. So here from status pending, we can change the status to completed, and we can see that the status has got completed. Now if we want to change some description or something else, like we want to make change some of the description, like apart from making lunch, we can make brunch out of it. And let's see, and if we want to change this particular due date of this particular, so from first 6 to 15, and we have completed this, and low priority we can set it to medium priority, and we'll simply create an update task, and it will automatically update all those changes which we wanted to update. Now here we have got system back, due date 15 to 6, we've got status as completed, we have got all those necessary changes that we have made, we have seen it. So in this particular manner we can actually go on to see each and everyone's details page. We can change all those things like pending to complete, and here we can see that the status has got pending from status to completed, and it is also reflecting here. We can also have the functionality to delete task as well, like if you want to delete a task like make dinner, we want to delete, so simply clicking on the delete icon, each and every icon has each and every task as that, so simply clearing it, it will ask you for a confirmation box, are you sure you want to delete the task make dinner? If we simply click on delete task, and it has gone. Now make dinner is not there anywhere. So these were those functionalities that we have added into the system. Now let's quickly move on, see how can okay, one thing more has been remaining. A listing has been there, we can see all the listing of uh or the listing, simple all the task listing. We have the functionality to list the task according to the priority that we have set, like low. If we create on low, only the priority, only the task which have the low priority will be there. If we click on medium, we have all the tasks that have priority set as medium will be there. And if we click on high, we have all the tasks that are related to priority high are there. So this is the one way which we have implemented. Another way that we can, and after clicking on all, so we will have all the tasks beside any priority, all the tasks are there. So these were the functionalities that we have added up. So let's quickly go on and create a task. Let's create a task, and this time we will make sweets out of it, and action quickly go on to give us look this, and here we go. So it will be on the next page. We can see that here we have make sweets, due date 21/6/21/06/24, status pending, priority low. Now this is the task that we have created. We can change all those things that we want to change out of it, and if we don't want, we can remove it. So in this way we can create the task for the signed user as well. Now let's quickly move on to see if we can create, if we can see a next user has different tasks. So helper will be there. So we will log in into the helper account. We can see that helper user has a different set of tasks assigned to it, like clean bed, mop the room, water the plants, wash the clothes, wash the utensils, clean sofa. All these tasks are there. We can actually water the plants. We can shift its pending status to completed and updated stars, and it will be there. Priority high and status completed. So we have changed that particular way. Here also we have based on priority all the listing high, on the basis of video, on the basis of flow, we have all those tasks assigned to it. So this was another user that we have in the system. Let's look and create a user by a new user, fresh user. Let's check the sign up page as well. So for if you don't have an account, sign up here and you'll create manager account. There as well. Dash. Logged into the system. So we can see here the task is there. Let's assign a task to it. June, setting expiry of high. Let's create it. So we have the code for the task. Planning, we can go from pending to complete the task, and if it's completed, you can also change here for example, and we will have this pending as well. So we can do all those updation related to that, like changing the date as well from 8 June to 16 June, and we update it. We have 16 June as that. We have all those in the high priority. We have high, in the medium we don't have, in the low we don't have. As far as we create it, we will have that particular system. Like budgeting description, we have a priority, high, and go. So we have budgeting as well as into our system. So in this way, we can actually assign that particular task and from planning to schedule, change the completed, and you can easily there. I can delete this particular task as well, delete everything, and it's gone as well. So in this way, we have gone through the demo of this particular app. I will quickly go through the code base as well. Code base obviously in the React application code base starts from app.js. Here we have defined all the routes that are related to the application from login to sign up, from um, task form page, creation page to task details page, right? And all those things are defined here. Task form is for creating the user, and task details page include a particular details of the task that are associated with the a particular task that we want to do. And task list we simply has all the listing sides of all the tasks that are a part of the user. Login and sign up are also a part of it. To log in, and these are the things we utilize. So in this manner, we have successfully gone through the demo. Hope I hope you like the video, and please share and comment upon whatever things you like or dislike about this particular demo. Thank you. Have a nice day.